I just came back from the gym and I want to make a healthy meal. So I'm going to start with 2 handfuls of Brussels sprouts and then I'm going to cut the cauliflower into florets. While I'm prepping the cauliflower, let's get into some cauliflower facts. China is the largest producer of cauliflower globally, followed by India and the United States. Also, cauliflower thrives in cooler temperatures and is typically grown in the fall or spring. It struggles in hot weather and is more challenging to cultivate during the summer months. Here's a fun fact about me. When I was younger, I've always dreamt of becoming a professional tennis player, and I've played tennis for 12 years. In this bowl, I have a New York strip steak, and I'm going to season both sides with garlic sea salt and black peppercorns. In a hot cast iron, you're going to add some extra virgin olive oil. You're going to sear one side of the steak for about 5 minutes and then the other side for about 5 minutes, resulting in a medium to medium well steak. In boiling water, you're going to add the cauliflower florets and Brussels sprouts. You're going to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes, and this is called parboiling. And then after that, we're going to cook this in the fond of the steak, which means base, and it refers to the brown bits of food in a pan after the food has been roasted or sauteed. The reason why I'm doing this is because there's no need to season the vegetables. They are going to pick up the flavor from the steak. The steak is just about ready. I'm just going to give it another flip and I'm going to poke it just to make sure it's firm, and that's when I know the steak is done. Once you remove the steak, continue to saute the vegetables in the fond, and then after this I like to add some cashews, some golden raisins, and then some regular raisins just for added texture and sweetness. Now that the steak has rested, it's time to slice it, and I'm going on a bias, which means a 45-degree angle, and I just want you to look at that beauty right there. It's time to plate our finished meal. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment. If this is your first time, welcome. I decided to experiment with the corn cilantro sauce. It came out amazing, and I'll be making a video in the future. Peace.